welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the style settings of a particular section in Squarespace 7.1. One of the big benefits of the update to 7.1 is you get a lot more flexibility in terms of the colors and the fonts and the styles of particular sections within one page. So if we come up here, you see that I've got this floral white background, black text, and a green button. Very easy to view. I'm going to change this section to match that in a second. But the reason I wanted to create this video is a lot of times you want to have sort of like a dark image as the background. And obviously black text and a black button is not going to be very readable in a good experience for website visitors. So that would be a situation where you would want to change the style section. Now to do that on the actual page, you would just go to Edit. You would come down to the section you want to change, click on the pencil icon in the top right hand corner, go to background, and you can add your background in here or a video. And then you go to colors and you can select a theme for this section. And this is based on your color palette. So if you just want to simply change it to one of the defaults, you can click in here. Say I pick dark minimal and you'll see that it's changed to my dark minimal settings. But now you want to say you want to change this even more. So maybe you have clicked on this and it's automatically added this green download button based on your color palette, but you might want to change that to red. Let's show you how you do that. So click Save. And what you want to do is come into Design, go to Colors, and you have your color palette here. Of course, you can change this as you wish. And then underneath you have these section themes, and you could tell which theme a particular section is on. One, by just going through the process I just showed you, or it will show you in the top left hand corner when you're in your settings. So this is dark minimal. So what I would want to do to change the settings here is I would click on the pencil icon. And you'll see here I now have access to all my settings. Now one of the really easy ways to change this is just to click on the section that you want to change, so it's automatically added my button. And if I come up here to this color dropper extension and I just copy this code, and then I go to my background and I paste it in here, you'll see it's automatically changed, and I'll have to change the text on that, and I'm going to choose this light floral white color. And so that's how you change that, and it's really easy to do. And so now any section where you add dark minimal, the text is going to be white and the color is going to be red. So I'm going to cancel that for now because I don't want to necessarily change that for real. And then the other thing you can do is, say you have sections that are similar but you want to alter them a little bit. You have this dark minimal and dark bold. So if I just click on dark bold, you'll see that the text is this lighter green color. And so it really does give you a lot of flexibility in there if you want to change anything in your site. Now, if you want to change any of the fonts, what you would do is you would come into Design and Fonts and then click on your particular current font pack, and you would click on this gear icon, and here you can change it too. So I hope that you find that helpful. It's just really a lot easier than it is in Squarespace 7.0, where if you have sort of a default style setting, it can be really difficult if you want to play around with a mix of dark and light color. So if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments, and I would be delighted to help in any way I can.